What's going on, everybody? I'm Josh with Fort Collins Kia, and today I'm asking, can the brand new 2022 Kia Carnival make minivans cool again? This is the new Kia Carnival SX Prestige, Kia's replacement to their long-standing Sedona. And if you're like me, you must be wondering, why are they even bothering to reintroduce a minivan? It's a good question. In fact, as SUV sales have gone up, minivan sales have been on a steady decline, and Kia's numbers show it. The predecessor, the Sedona, sold only 17,190 units in 2020. Compare that with something like the Sorento at 74,000, and you can see why it's a little perplexing. I pondered this question for a while to no avail. Now, don't get me wrong, the Carnival is far more exciting than the Sedona ever was, and its impeccable styling demonstrates that Kia really cares about this project. Even the interior has been updated. Everything from the orange leather seating to the second row entertainment system to the dual opening sunroofs. Everything kind of accentuates that fun-loving atmosphere that you would find at a carnival. The only thing we need now are some jugglers and some fire breathers. Those cost extra, though. Regardless of the obvious, it is apparent that Kia wants to reignite the minivan craze. They went all out upgrading this machine in every possible way. To start, this baby houses a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 290 horsepower and 262 foot-pounds of torque. That is not only 13 horsepower more than the old 3.3-liter engine, but that increase allows the Carnival to tow up to 3,500 pounds. Next, the interior volume has been increased as well, which means you have enough room for more fortuitous activities. All right, Rave Llama, I am going to read your future. Interesting. Looks like you will be taking a long journey with a friend. That isn't me. How many friends do you have? There must be a mistake. Let's do it again. Something you will find in your future, though, is a full digital display with blind spot monitoring and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen optioning Kia's enhanced voice recognition system. Sitting here in the driver's seat, I have more control over this vehicle than any vehicle I've driven thus far. In my Stinger video, I mentioned that the state-of-the-art voice recognition system could turn on the air conditioner and seat warmers. Well, the Carnival does a couple of them better.
Please say a command.
Open the passenger window.
Opening the passenger's window. Please say a command.
Open the lift gate.
Opening the lift gate.
Oh, yeah. Oh, and did I mention I have the same controls here in the second row.
Please say a command.
Air conditioner on.
Setting the rear temperature to 64 degrees Fahrenheit.
That button may worry some parents out there, but do not fret. From the driver's seat, you can lock out voice commands from the second row and then calmly console your children with the voice intercom system and rear seat monitor. Hey, Rave Llama, how are the lounge seats? Rave Llama. He always ignores me. The lounge seats Rave Llama was enjoying is the party piece of this new model. The Carnival SX Prestige includes power-adjustable captain's chairs, both equipped with heating and cooling. The lounging feature in the second row is bittersweet. If I press this button here in the interior, I can recline the seat to a comfortable first-class position. However, when I adjust the footrest, it slowly vices my feet up against the driver's seat. And it's the same with the passenger side. So it kind of defeats the purpose. It's like installing an elevator in a one-story home. Sure, you can brag to your friends that you have one, but you ain't going anywhere. Things you will be bragging about are its extensive safety features, which include new additions like blind spot monitoring mentioned earlier, rear parking collision avoidance, safe exit assist, and surround view monitor with zoom. The Carnival isn't just safe, it's also very easy to drive. Sedonas have always been like heavy limousines, and the Carnival beats the Sedona on its best day. Not only is it icy smooth, but it's quiet. If you can hear me, that's because the road noise has been dampened down to a dull roar. With such a quiet vehicle, you aren't restricted from the 12-speaker Bose audio system equipped with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Sirius XM radio. Speaking of entertainment, as many parents out there would probably attest, when you go on a long road trip, your children are angels. They never get bored or upset with anything. They spend the time politely working on their multiplication tables. So these second row HD screens are really for all you young single people out there. With a touch of a button, you can screen share, watch Netflix, YouTube, or even plug in a flash drive full of legally downloaded movies. Kidding aside, the Carnival is a great family hauler. It comes in either 7-passenger, like the one I'm driving, or 8-passenger. And if you find yourself not needing the third row, it has an excellent stow and go system to open up storage capacity. It's also filled to the brim with charging ports. We've got wireless charging up front, USB ports throughout the cabin, 12-volt DC outlets, and 115-volt AC outlets. The Carnival's practically a power plant on wheels. At this point, you may be pontificating the price on this bad boy. And depending on your needs, the prices vary. The fully loaded SX Prestige runs about $48,000, but you can get one for as low as $34,000. And remember, that comes with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty with 5 years or 60,000 miles of roadside assistance. When it comes to minivans versus SUVs, the battle will rage on. SUVs are great at moving people across rough terrain, but more deficient at moving your stuff across the country. For example, the Kia Carnival has 1.5 times more storage space than the Telluride, and their fuel economies aren't that dissimilar, with this averaging around 22 miles to the gallon. This also earns a point for the convenience of sliding doors that can be activated from your key fob or Yuvo app. So I don't think the question is whether minivans are cool or not, as much as why did they ever become uncool? This thing can do so many things that an SUV can't. And I think it's about time they get their due respect. Thank you for watching this 2022 Kia Carnival walk-around video. Please like, share, and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new videos. Also, check out Fort Collins Kia in Fort Collins, Colorado, or go to fortcollinskia.com for a first-class car buying experience. Special thanks to Jimmy Kwangwari for drone videography used in this video.